In India, our family is one of the oldest and the richest families of the western part of India. And the name of our dynasty is called the Gohil dynasty, which was founded in the year 1370. I decided to get married, but the marriage was a disaster. It never got consummated, and after 15 months of marriage, we had to have a legal separation and we got a divorce from the court. I'm Prince Manvendra Singh Gohil of Rajpipla. Yes, I'm happy and I'm gay. I am a gay activist and involved in fighting for gay rights. In India, homosexuality is a taboo. The gays are stigmatized and discriminated. Lakshya Trust happens to be the first community-based organization to work on the gay men, especially in the area of HIV prevention. I think things are changing now, especially after the Delhi High Court has made the judgment of legalizing Section 377, which decriminalizes the homosexual act. The sufferings, the pain which I had undergone as a child and no one to share with my issues were so much that I decided that I should start an organization where I could get people together and people could come and discuss their issues freely, and we could try and resolve them on our own means. The fact that I happened to be the first royal to come out openly and talk about my sexuality itself attracted a lot of media attention and publicity, just not in India but across the world.
We begin in India, where last year the crown prince of one of the country's oldest royal families revealed a secret so taboo it ripped his entire family apart and stunned the nation.
My personal dream is to settle down with my boyfriend, and if at all during my lifetime, if gay marriages are legalized, then I wish to get married to my boyfriend.